Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Astro. Today we have a different kind of video. We're gonna be explaining how we get to the moon. Just like I just showed you guys how we get to the moon. But here, let me show you guys how we get to the moon now. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. That was really cool. My favorite scene in this video actually. But yeah. So to get to the moon we're gonna need to launch off of Earth. And then we're gonna need to orbit, which you're gonna need a rocket for. I just used the space shuttle even though it's not anywhere by no means realistic. Then we're gonna need to orbit around it like my shuttle is now. Then we're gonna need to turn, go to the moon, and land. So as Starship sets to go, what about we talk about Mars for a bit? I think we might go to Mars like Starship sets to do. And SpaceX, Elon Musk, well, here, we might go like this. Multiple of them landing simultaneously. Here's a little drone shot view of the heat shields underneath the valleys. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed that segment of the video. But back on Earth, we still have stuff. We're leaving Earth just in the hopes we'll find a new planet. Like, I don't know. We're leaving behind a home. I think everyone is so interested in finding a new place like the moon or another planet, maybe even Mars. So that wraps it up for everything. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Also, one more thing, I believe that the true reason scientists want to explore Mars is because Mars was once Earth-like. There are some other things that are unused, like this image of Mars, but yeah, it's your boy Astro. Out.
Mission complete.